To jumpstart a car, you'll need jumper cables and another driver who's willing to assist you. First, ask the other driver to pull up next to your car so the jumper cables will reach each car's battery. Then, turn off both cars and open the hoods. Connect the red or positive clip on the jumper cables to the positive terminal on the dead battery. Next, connect the other red clip to the positive terminal on the other driver's battery. Do the same thing with the black or negative clips on the jumper cables, but attach them to the negative terminals on the batteries instead of the positive ones. Now have the other driver start their car and let it run for a few minutes. Start your car like you normally would, then disconnect the jumper cables in reverse order you connected them. Finally, let your car run for 10 to 20 minutes without turning it off to make sure the battery doesn't die again.